is timing. But we need to go back to the altar of prayer in your life. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's pray and we will see God show up in our services. Let's go back to the prayer, hour of prayer, and we will see God show up. In fact, the hour of prayer for me is more like Elijah on Mount Carmel. Praying, Lord, do something. And then the sea is a place of manifestation, which is our Sunday service. The cloud might not necessarily appear on Carmel, but it is cool on Carmel. It is generated here, and then it shows up in the place of manifestation, which is our Sunday service. Couple of years ago, ndishirika mfana ndakura mazuva ngera ndebvu idzi ugeri ndebvu so akuzi kuti style kubvisa the white because ndikazogara namutanga but ndichirika mfana come to the Friday prayer meeting.
Yes, as we are praying the prayer mission. So we are standards.
My brother Dururu, are you here?
My brother Dururu, are you there?
One day Elder Gomo said to me,
when you are Elder Gomo, what you give me?
You and Dururu might eat a young
you will not do nothing about this young or a church.
But we'll come and we'll pray.
What does that mean as a standard?
We want to see this.
We want to see this.
Service.
What to place service?
Prayer meeting. Standing up to do exactly what you guys pray. Church. Let's seed the clouds of the season with prayer. Hey, let me try and finish here.